When markets swing, it's natural to feel like your retirement portfolio is at risk. But what if there were assets that don't move in lockstep with stocks and bonds? One way investors create balance in their portfolios is by adding assets that behave differently than traditional markets. Gold and silver are prime examples. They are not tied directly to stock performance or bond yields, which makes them unique tools for diversification. The Why Precious Metals Guide points out that metals have held demand even through economic stress, and they give savers more control and confidence. By reducing dependence on market driven assets alone, precious metals can serve as a stabilizing force in your retirement strategy. I'll link the guide below if you want to see the details for yourself. This is one of 8 PDFs included in the free Gold RA Ultimate Guide bundle. Alongside company integrity checklist and silver scheme report, it gives you practical insights to help you make informed decisions about your savings. Download the full Gold RA Ultimate Guide bundle for free and explore how adding metals can bring more balance and less worry to your retirement planning. You will find the link right below this video.